20 fourth and fifth graders who come down for a weekly yoga session on our stage, and it's led by a certified yoga instructor, and she leads them through a series of simple yoga postures, and then she provides them some mindfulness training, and then she gives them each an extension activity to take home and do on their own time. At McKinley Brighton, we have some wonderful scholars, and our fourth and fifth graders are particularly outstanding. But fourth and fifth grade is a really, really stressful year for students. There's a lot of more academic demands, there's state testing, and we wanted to give them something else this year, another tool to help them manage stress, to help them with their emotional regulation in the face of some difficult, stressful, challenging times. Here at McKinley Brighton, we have the 20 students who are directly involved in the project, and they're able to participate and they gain the yoga and mindfulness skills to help them with emotional regulation and help them manage stress better, so that when they're faced with difficult times, they're able to handle these challenging situations better. Additionally, we were able to order, through the generosity of the Syracuse City School District Ed Foundation, a Yoga for Kids toolkit for our entire school. So we have 24 mats that will be shared among the students in the school. When teachers want to use them, they can borrow them, as well as multiple DVDs, yoga games, yoga cards, things that will help the teachers carry these activities over throughout the day. Personally, I have found yoga to be, and mindfulness to be, an incredibly important part of managing my own stress. And when I have difficulties, I certainly find myself thinking about some of the things I've learned in yoga classes and some of the stress management techniques that I've learned through mindfulness. And I hope that the students are able to take away from this the same type of experience.